Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this very beautiful beaded work. And you can try this work on your neckline, the blouse back part of the neckline, and also on the kids neckline also. It's very simple and easy to make. Let's get started. So just you can take any marking tool. So I just use my glass marking pencil and I'm going to draw a leaf. So this leaf should be overlapped. So first leaf I'm drawing like a full leaf, and the second leaf is going to be like a half of that. So you're going to continue the pattern till you get into the exact shape. Just I'm going to make a straight pattern now. For this I'm going to use a black color tube bead. Now let's see the stitching of this. So you're going to start from one side of the leaf, and I'm using a Zardosi needle. It's a very thin needle, and let me load one of the tube bead to that. Make that tight, and you're going to punch that again exactly where the tube bead ends. Okay, just hold it in one hand, and to the another hand you're going to punch on the exact end point of the tube bead like such. To the next time, make sure that you punch on the center of the tube bead, and you're going to load one more tube bead. So same you're going to repeat. So whenever you repeat, make sure that you punch on the center point of the tube bead and stay on the exact shape. So I'm going to repeat to my entire leaf like this. So gradually you're going to go all the way up like this. Okay. So when I'm going to sew to the next side of the leaf, you're going to start from the down part again. So just give the needle to the down part, and you're going to start from the down like such you did for the next side. Okay. So exactly I'm taking on the center, and I'm just repeating the same. So once it's done, from the center point to the down part, you're going to just make a center line like this with the thread, and you're going to fill this with some sugar bead. Okay, so just punch the needle on the exact thread point, and you're going to load some sugar bead to this. So these are the sugar beads I'm going to work on with. So I'm just going to take like 4 to 5 sugar bead, and I'm going to punch on the exact point. Okay, I took 5, but 4 is enough, so I'm just taking 1 out of that, and I'm going to make it like a straight line. Don't make it like a slanting line. You're going to make like a straight line so that it just fills the leaf nice and neat. And when you go gradually up, that 4 sugar bead will reduce into 3 and 2 and 1 like that. So now I'm just sewing like such to finish off the filling stitch. Okay, so little by little it have to be tightly packed so that the design is going to look really beautiful. So let me finish off this. So like this, let me finish off the entire leaf. So once it's done, it's going to look so beautiful like this. I totally like this and hope you do so. If you like this video and if you want more kind of videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So in this picture you can see that this particular design has been done on the shoulders of the dress, and you can try this kind of design on either way. You can try this on the neck or in a U neckline also. So see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.